Kera here, back with another video. Guys, y'all are the bomb. Thank you for entering my 1K giveaway. The winner will be somewhere in this video. I will announce the winner. I'm not going to tell you at the beginning or at the end so you can skip it. I want you guys to watch this video. Okay? But anyways, the purpose of this video, along with the 1K giveaway winner, is I'm showing y'all how I made this beautiful planter. God, I love how it came out. It's really splashes regular plain planter up that you see everywhere with the wood base and the white planter. I love it. My little plant friends is seeming to love it too. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below. You guys said you want to see more home decor videos, so that's what I'm doing. Let me know exactly what you want to see. I will do it. I want to grow this channel. I want to grow with you guys and provide content that you actually like. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for the 1K giveaway winner. Okay, so these are the pots that I'm going to be adding, well, making over. These are from Michael's. They were like $8 a piece, and they actually come off the stand. So I will be taking them off the stand once I'm ready to put the clay on. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be making the clay shapes. So what you have to do is, well, I'm going to be making different shapes. So first I'm going to be making a like marble effect. So I've already rolled out 2 of the colors. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So the clay comes in these like little squares. Well, they don't always. This is the pack that I bought from Michael's. It was like $12.99 with a coupon half off at $6. So what I do is you just take a little piece, because you really don't need to use it that much clay, because once you roll it out it turns into a lot. So you just get it warmed up in your hands so it starts working and moving and grooving, makes it more pliable. And then you're gonna take it and roll it out, just like you did when you were a kid with Play-Doh. Just kind of roll it. So I'm missing 2 supplies here. You need an X-Acto knife to get like cleaner shapes, but for the life of me I cannot find mine, so we won't have that. But so now I got the gray piece, and then I also decided to go with tan and white. So these are already rolled out, and then with these literally all you're gonna do is just twist them together. So twist them like so. Take a nice little twist, I guess, I don't know. Now we have, these would be nice and mixed together. And then you're just gonna crumble it into a ball and roll it back up again. And now you have marbled clay. Look at, I love these colors together, they look so good. So after that, all you're gonna do is take it, and I'm using this wax paper because my counter has like a surface, I don't know what to call it, but anywho, it has a surface like texture to it, and I don't want the clay to have that texture as well. So like, look at, as I flattened it, look how cute that is. I love how the colors like mix together. And also you need like a rolling pin. Okay, as you guys can see, I switched it up. I cut all my other colored pieces out. So now I'm doing like a black doing my bread pieces out. So I did the same thing, rolled the clay out. This time I'm using a knife just to get sharper shapes. And I don't care if they're irregular, just because that's the look I'm going for. So I'm literally like no rhyme or reason, just cutting shapes in like the motif I'm interested in. And then lifting them. Boop, there's a shape. And then here's the ones I've cut out so far. What happens after this point is you have to bake them for, the directions say 275 for 15 minutes per 1/4 inch. So I think honestly it's probably 1/4 inch. So I'll cook them for 15 minutes. And then I will apply them to the plant holders. Why do I always call everything a holder? I'm gonna apply them to the plant pots, and then we'll be done with this super simple, quick, few, maybe 20-minute craft. Okay guys, so this part of my video got deleted. Well, a part of my video got deleted. So all that you're seeing here is I baked the shapes at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. They're completed, and now all I'm doing is really just taking my glue gun and placing them randomly on the pot in a pattern that is appealing to my eyes. Or, you know the vibes. Pause. I know you want to know about that 1K giveaway. Who is it? Who won? I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it. I put the number of comments in a random number generator, and the number that came out, I went through the comments and selected that person. So the winner is Denise Span Gilliam. I will reach out to you in a message through YouTube. All I need is your email address, and I'm going to be sending you your $200 Amazon gift card. Thank you so much for all you guys for participating. There will be another giveaway once I reach 5,000 followers. So tell your friends, tell your cousins, tell your uncles to subscribe, and we can do another giveaway. And the 5,000, it's going to be way bigger, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and let's finish the tutorial. Here's the final result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.